Beautiful spot, except people come here, eat at McDonald's and throw their shit everywhere. Fucking hate people. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dom and I am just going to run through the mods I have done on my S1000R. This is a Gen 3 2021 model, and it's very similar to my old 2020RR, same colour scheme, and I'm trying to go with the same sort of feel with it, but without the back pain. So let's start here with bar end mirrors. Now I've done a video covering this on the channel. If you check the card above, I did have the BMW bar ends, but they basically were pretty rubbish, and these are the HJR with a adapter kit that just goes here to make it fit under, and then the stock bar ends on there. Working our way down here then, we've got engine protection by GB Racing. So that covers up the nice bronze look, but that's what I wanted to give it more of the black look there. And then we also have the Wunderlich frame sliders. Evotech do some mushroom style frame sliders. I preferred the look of these Wunderlich. And if I go back a little bit more, they're not fully symmetrical, but you're not really going to notice unless you're at this angle here, but otherwise they serve the purpose quite well. The fly screen is stock BMW, and that will be getting tinted. We have our Quadlock on here. I have this up here for the Insta-Go. Obviously tank protection there, knee grips. Now these are the Eazi-Grip sort of snake skin, and they actually have rubbed against my jean, which you can see here. So I am on the lookout for something that won't do that if I can. And then round here at the back, we got the real magic in this Futurismoto tail tidy, and there will be a video on this as well, going into more detail. This replaced the NRC tail tidy, and it's a really nice, clean, all-in-one option. Really happy with that. And then we move on to the Pro Race can. This actually came off my RR, which is why it looks a little bit more aggressive than the cans that come specifically for the R. They in line follow this bit a bit more, whereas this is a bit more up and angular, but I like that. And so here we have the M sets that have come off a RR, so they're a bit more aggressive looking than the single R rear sets. But just worth noting, if you are going to do this, I'm 5'11" and I've got them on really the extremes, and they just about fit me fine with my race boot on. But like I say, they are much higher wing here, much more aggressive style to them than the single R's version. So I'm very happy with them. But so far, really happy with the bike, really happy with the mods done. Best mods would be the tail tidy and obviously the Pro Race exhaust. But stay tuned for more updates on what I do to the bike and my opinions on having it if you're in the market for a S1000R.